In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to factory default a device. This is required when you are adding older or previously used devices to the platform. You need to start by unplugging the device from any power source. Then you need to locate the control button and the LED indicator light. There's an example of this to the far right. Please note that the location of these can change depending on the model. Please go to help.axis.com, which you can see in the bottom right corner. There you will be able to type in the model and locate the exact location of those items. Now, once you have located the control button and the LED indicator, you will press and hold the control button while plugging the device back into its power source. Keep the control button pressed for 15 to 30 seconds or until the LED indicator flashes amber. Then release the control button, and the process is complete once the LED indicator turns green. Now the device has been factory defaulted and can be added to the OR6 platform. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial.